passive, so I choke on sun, and the days blur into one in the backs of my eyes, all the things I've never done. Sheets are swaying from an old clothesline, like a row of captured ghosts over old dead grass. There's never much, but we've made the most. Welcome ships are launching from my chest. Some have names, but most do not. If you find one, please.
Okay guys, so how to get to the Cox's River campground. You want to travel to the town of Little Hartley, which is located in between Mount Victoria and Lithgow, and then you want to turn down Cox's River Road, which runs off the A32 Great Western Highway. It's located just past the candy shop if you're coming from Katoomba Way, and it's located just before the candy shop if you're coming from Lithgow Way. Follow Cox's River Road, don't deviate from the main road, and it will take you all the way down into the valley. It goes from bitumen to dirt numerous times. Just keep following the signs for Cox's River, and then those signs will turn into 6-foot track signs. Keep following those until you get to a gate which has 2 yellow 4x4 signs. Go through the gate, and then a short while after that you'll be at the Cox's River campground. Now, if you're using Google to guide your way and you're coming from Western Sydney and up through the Blue Mountains, Google will try and take you through Megalong Valley. This is the old way, and I believe that it's actually been shut for some time now. You can't get to the actual campground using the 4x4 track through that way. It's actually locked when you get to the campground. You can't actually go through anymore. So don't use Google if it's telling you to go through the Megalong Valley. Maybe just use Google once you get to Little Hartley and then go from there. Alright guys, so that is us done for the day. So just some quick info on the track to get in. You will need a 4x4, any 4x4 will do. At the very least you'll need a high clearance SUV. Normal cars won't be able to get down here. The track itself is pretty rutted out. It's not too bad, but it is pretty damaged by the weather and the rain and things like that, so just take your time when you're doing it. Apart from that, guys, I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Cheers.